Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect interactive brokers to TradingView for research tools, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching the TradingView website in your preferred web browser. Log into your TradingView account using your credentials. Locate the Brokers section from the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on Get Started or Connect a Broker to proceed. Scroll through the available brokers until you find Interactive Brokers. Select Interactive Brokers from the list. You will be prompted to log in to your Interactive Brokers account. Enter your Interactive Brokers username and password. Once logged in, allow TradingView to access your account data. Review the permissions required by TradingView and click Allow. You may need to authenticate this connection through two-factor authentication. Check your email or mobile device for the authentication code if prompted. Enter the authentication code to finalize the connection. Once authenticated, you will see a confirmation message on TradingView. You can now access Interactive Brokers data directly within TradingView. Explore TradingView's charting tools and research features. Utilize these tools to analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. If you encounter any issues, consult the TradingView or Interactive Brokers Help Center for support. Your accounts are now connected, enabling a seamless trading experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.